Oh, really? That's cool. That's pretty cool. What was it that I was trying to?
Drive you crazy.
I got sidetracked. I'll think of it. Fiber Metamucil, talking about the king being king. What do they call it? The anointment. The what's it called? Whatever the silly tradition is for people countries that have kings and queens. Coronation. There we go. Robert K. Coronation. Robert, I think I got the email from you. I responded to it. Guys, again, give me till this afternoon. Anybody that has emailed their trade logs to me. Um, but I was like, what? We're going to a cow pasture? Horse crap to cow pastures. Delightful. Hersh Walker. All right. Let's see. I know, Coach Hugo. From horse manure behind the king to the cow pasture to Herschel Walker to running for president. It's like that. What's that stupid? There's a game show where the chain reaction. It's like you take one word in the sentence and then turn it into another completely different topic. It's like, so the king was in his chariot riding down the road behind a horse, and then the horse was in the barn on a stable. I don't know. And then you just end up with some crazy sentence about Herschel Walker running for president.
We're off.
Hey, and we're open for business. No trading for the first 6 minutes for newbies. Everybody else, we do expect something to happen. Most likely a little bit of a push down this morning. Most likely a little bit of a push down. Now, is it going to come through with any thrust? I don't know. But we'll see. We will see. Maybe we'll see a little tiny just lull to the downside, and then a buy signal. We are in an uptrend. Ticks started high, so that would usually signify that we get a little bit of a push down, but ticks starting high or low in this zone, in this range, hasn't really given us a very good signal of what's going to happen. So I think it's best, if you're not already in a position, to wait the 6 minutes before you do anything, and chillax for 6 minutes. So again, like I said, we've been here before, guys. We've been in this range all week long. We kind of know how to play it. We should be able to do pretty well with it. And I think we know it. Everybody here should know it by now, because we've said it all week long. Sell the high, buy the low. Sell the high, buy the low. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle with the middle. This is crap we don't want to trade. How many points of a rally or a sell-off from each swing, approximately, how many points do we see good buy or sell opportunities? What? How many points of? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, everybody knows now, right? Everybody, nobody can say, "I didn't hear you, coach. I didn't hear what you said," because we've said the exact same thing all week long. It's not going to change today. 7 or 8 points, you can look for a good trade signal. Outside of that, you're buying from the low of the zone. You're selling from the high of the zone. Not complicated, guys. Preferably do it with momentum. If not, that's okay. I mean, again, we've seen momentum switch a lot in this zone, but the momentum has given us actually some pretty good trade opportunities if you guys pay attention to it. So while we're screwing around in this little zone, then probably want to trade with momentum as well. So that's especially for newer people who are in tune with the market and are 100% good at managing their stops appropriately, and they're set with ATMs. You definitely want to be trading with momentum. Where did I put my coffee at? Nothing like a good crowning. Wow, this is exciting. This is definitely going to be a get green and get going morning, guys. Let's get a couple of good trades in and get the heck out of here and be done for the day. Do you guys want to watch paint dry the entire day?
Repeated everything else.
Nope.
Groundhog Day.
Nope, not going to do it. We are not going to do it. Yeah, for the three good trades we have opportunities at in the afternoon.
No.
I might consider it if we break out of the zone and stay there. I might consider doing an afternoon session today. Might, but I think if things go the way we normally see it, we'll get a few good trades in, and we'll call it a day. Get green, get gone. That is the plan. But this Dragon Snout is out. I mean, seriously, we could have just stayed in bed. This is like,
Got that one little scalp. Not worth getting up for, but
hey, it paid for me to get up. How about that?
there you go.
Paid for you to get up. I'll take a couple $100. I'll take a couple $100. Couple $100. At least it, pays for the day, right? Pays for the day. Couple $100, and then if you get something else, you get something else. I told you guys that I'm trying to leave that one for. It's gonna get me there. Probably. I would think we'd see it push down. I mean, really, I really would think we'd see it push down. We haven't. I mean, market's been going sideways. Ticks have been slowly coming back down. All right, here it is. We should be getting close to a little bit of a breakout, guys. By the way, 6 minutes are up.
Yep. You're free to trade around the country.
6 minutes are up, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Look at this. We're going to see a breakout here in just a second, guys. We are going to see a breakout here in just a second, ladies and gentlemen. So aggressive players can play the breakout trade. If you don't know how to do it, you don't play it. How about that? That's clear instructions, right, Paul?
That's pretty clear.
Yeah. Brian speaking my butt. What? Yes. It's a lot like ventriloquism. You guys, what are we? Let's talk about something. Somebody say something. Somebody say something that can give us like a topic. The only trade we have right now, guys, that you can possibly even consider taking is a breakout trade. That's it. So let's pick a topic, any topic. I need, when was the coronation? When was it?
Was it
yesterday?
No, I think it was Tuesday or something like that.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday.
It was earlier this week. Mm-hmm.
Nice, Corey. We don't condone drinking then trading, but drinking while trading.
That's right.
Don't
like
trade
that
drunk.
idea.
Trade to get drunk.
Should start calling it Bourbon Friday.
Bourbon Friday. A little whiskey. If I had whiskey in my coffee this early in the morning, I would be like taking a nap by noon. I'd be like, all right, it's nap time.
Fun way to trade. I don't know if it'd be profitable. It'd be fun.
I know. I was gonna say you're definitely gonna be loose and relaxed. I think there's got to be like a timer though. If you start drinking while you're trading, then you've got to stop before you get inebriated.
There you go.
Because then that's not gonna be pretty. Just to relax you just enough to
if I get any more relaxed, I'm gonna fall asleep here.
more relaxed.
This is
well, it seems like Corey is the one that Corey's the one that had it right this morning. I can tell you one thing. You could definitely had some good trades in the YM this morning.
Yeah, I heard them. They were getting.
This is hard to trade. I mean, what's the equivalent? I mean, this crap here creates a 40-point range on the YM. So I can trade 40 points. I don't trade this. This is impossible to trade unless you're holding a position going into it. Why trade it? Why? It's silly. Again, aggressive people, breakout trade. That's the only trade you have. It's the only thing we can do. Yeah. Yeah. I agree with John. I mean, again.
Yeah, that's the best advice right there.
Yeah, stay out.
Nobody has to trade this morning.
Yeah. We got one good trade. And you guys know what I'm doing. I'm still holding out on the long, still holding out for the long side. But that's it. I mean, that's only because I'm committed to it. I'm not really that committed to it. I just haven't had my stop hit yet. But again, still profitable already this morning. So you take a couple contracts off, let one linger around for you. You don't have a pretty decent morning. And I think we got something going on. It's not a big. Is it a big news thing? What is it, like 10-ish? Something like that.
Consumer
Let me not be lazy and look. Let me look. News. Oh, of course, news at the top of the hour. Yeah, something at 10. We should see some fireworks after that. Let's put this. Let's see.
Did we break? No, we didn't.
No.
No fake out. I was thinking no.
Didn't quite No, it kind of
I
did,
did-
right?
I-
There's a little fake out.
I jumped in short at the top
There
here,
you go.
just for a scalp, but
I mean, you got it. You already got it.
Yeah, I got first target off.
Yeah, that's an easy one.
I was thinking fake out, but
We'll fake out, break out to the
Mhm.
downside. I'm not quite convinced of that yet.
super
Still
small
think we
risk
gotta-
though. So.
Yeah, no, that was an easy one to do for you. It's an easy one to do. You grab. I mean, what is that?
Couple-
Yeah, instead of sitting a couple $100.
A couple points, yeah,
Yeah,
point and a half, something like that,
$150.
with like a half a point risk.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's acceptable. I overbought stochastics, nice little hook down. That's
Right.
a good one to grab. It's not bad. Ticks did not go below zero. Just oddly enough, got down to zero. I was like, everybody's like, nah, we're buying today. We don't know why we're buying. We're just gonna buy. We're
You
buying.
can buy
Don't
it
know
out
why,
of this
just buying.
range and let's get going.
I know, right? There's kind of an M forming.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Now it's got more
when
risk.
you watch, yeah, you just I mean you watch, right? You say, okay, does this thing actually work? Does the M actually work?
Probably will
And-
work to the bottom of that little channel it's created.
Yeah, or this really was like a little fake out breakout to downside.
Yeah.
Fun. Now obviously we're in uptrend. If you guys want to take a stab at it, let the stochastics get oversold. They get oversold. Just like what Paul did here. Got over here, get a little hook over, grab that short. Same thing here. Get oversold, hook up, grab that long trade. If you time it right, you should be able to get a point, a whole point, maybe 2 points.
You get a couple if you time it right at the bottom here.
I'm not saying that you should do it though.
No.
I'm saying if you want to do it, this is not something that I would do. I'm still like, guys, the only trade is how many points? We need to see this move 6 or 7 to 8 points. Then we could probably start like thinking about a trade. And there's Paul's short working well.
There's your breakout.
There's a push down, I thought, and the breakout we were looking for. And we're down that 6 or 7 points. So you guys can look for a little W. You could look for it to move down to the bottom of the zone, down to the zone. That 50 to 48 area we talked about, right? So think through that. Let's see. We got, is that? So it might be a decent but by the way, that did turn out to be a Fobo, right?
Yeah.
Fobo trade. Are you still in it? Did you get out?
No, I scalped out. I wish I would have.
Ah.
I know.
Anybody do the breakout trade? Anybody do it? I'm not. I
Paul.
mean, again, I'm not gonna be upset if you didn't, but you did. You didn't.
I didn't know.
Killer B did
Killer
it.
B. Yeah.
Just me and Killer B. Hugo did it. Hey, 3 of us got it.
Uh-oh.
Nice. Robert K got it too. Look at you guys. As long as you know how to play it. If you didn't know how to play the breakout trade, that's on you. If you know how to play it, you are doing well. Now, we did get the long signal exactly from where Corey said, guys. So, good little long signal as well. We are still in an uptrend for now. We're still in the zone. So, there's two-way trading in the zone. You guys know that. Buy the lows, sell the highs. So good job, everybody that did the breakout trade. Got a little change in the pocket. Great little long signal here for those trend traders. Corey, did you stick to your plan and take this long signal? He's going to say yes. I hope.
Of
All
course.
right. I like it. See, everybody's making money this morning. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Now here's the question: is who did nothing because they were like, well, you're saying go short, breakout trade. You could do the short, and then we got a long here. Some people did nothing because they're confused, and that's okay. Ask questions if you're confused. But we had a very solid plan for both ways to play this, guys. So if you didn't take the breakout trade because you didn't know how to do it, your account size didn't say you could take the risk to do it, then you had to wait for this. So how many people actually waited? We talked through it. How many times did I say I like 48 as a buy area? There should be a good, strong buy signal come out of there after Corey put it in. Thank you, Corey. So who followed that trading advice? How many people followed that advice? Or how many people fell asleep and wasn't patient enough to wait for 48 to get a nice little buy signal? Who followed it, guys? Who took the long signal? Obviously, some people didn't that took the short, but anybody else out there that were flat, you guys catch it? All right. I mean, I don't know how, guys. I really want you guys to do well on a Friday, and you got to be patient and you got to be ready to take advantage of your opportunities when you have it. Right. Now we've got change in our pocket. Those that took the short, those that took the long, we have change in our pocket. We planned all this in advance, guys. Every single thing from back here, right? From at like 9:36, we planned everything in advance. We already had 48 as a level that you could buy from. We already said, let's play the breakout trade. I mean, plan it in advance, guys. So if you can't pay attention long enough to, if this is going to be the thing that keeps you from being a good trader, because you're like, okay, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna go get some coffee, and then all of a sudden, you go get coffee because you're not patient and disciplined enough, and then you come back and the price is already right here. You come back, prices are right there. You're like, oh man, every time I step away, I miss a good trade. No, it's because you don't have discipline enough to know that the good trade is coming out of this crap. Right? Go get your coffee now. Don't wait. This is where it's going to come from when it breaks out. You got to know that. As a trader, you have to know those things. You can't get up and go get coffee randomly. You got to know when your opportunities are about to come. And if you guys miss these two easy opportunities, that's on you. And I'm not trying to be a jerk this morning, but dang it, get green and get going on Friday, guys. good little two great trades that were pre-planned that you guys could have taken care of easily. Even the M, I was like, hey, there's an M here. You could have taken that. This fits within our trade plan, right? High stochastics, M forms, two-way trading. We already know that. I kept saying that there's probably gonna be a little bit of a push down. We finally got it. And I don't know what to say. I want to be passionate that we give the opportunities to you guys. You guys got to take it. You got to press the button and do your part, and then you would be green and happy this morning. Yeah. Are we going to get a runner? Maybe not, because, well, what do we know? Chances of getting runners in this land of range, we're going to call it the land of Rangeville. We're going to call it Rangeville. In Rangeville, it's kind of hard to get the runners, but you guys understand what I'm saying. Do I need to keep preaching, Paul, or should I just shut up?
You're going. I'm over here having ninja issues again. So I'm gonna have to step off for a second.
Not peanut butter ears.
No, God, this is just something.
Kevin, good morning. What's happening? I didn't know we were letting trial people in today. No, I'm just kidding. It's good to see you. Are you a member? Were you a member in the past, Kevin? Or you're new, Oh, you're new to us. We have a lot of Kevins. I wasn't sure if you had been. Oh, brand new. All right. Good to have you. You missed some a whole lot of nothing this morning. And I don't know what you heard of that little rant, but we were sitting in this little shop for a long time. So we again, really, guys, if you guys want to really think about this we did get this little long trade at about 8:40-ish, whatever, somewhere in this time, we started talking through our daily plan. We started saying, okay, we know the range. We're gonna sell the highs, buy the lows in this Rangeville. And then we were talking through support and resistance, and that's why we came up with a really good number of 48 to buy from. And then as we worked our way through this consolidation, we said, okay, well, we're going to take the breakout trade one way or the other, and we did. Nice little short trade. And now we have another M forming on our hands. But back to the middle. So do you really want to take a chance on that again? Maybe not. I would rather have been long and trailing, right? Than attempt at a short and an uptrend right now still. And how far do we have before we can? We could probably turn to a downtrend. It's interesting, a little support area that we had there before. Oh yeah, we got news in a couple minutes. Anyway, I was just recapping the morning for you, Kevin. That's what we did. I don't know what time you got in, so I just wanted to recap, kind of give you the thought process we went through and the quick version. We've been in this range for days and days and days. So we're going to play the range the same way as we have every day that we've been in it. And you guys know what to do with news, right? You heard, yeah, because we get people missing trades, and then they come back and they say, "Oh, I didn't catch this trade. I missed both trades," and then they're going to try to take a trade here. And they're going to lose money. And That's a discipline thing, guys. I can't fix the discipline part where we plan out 2 perfectly good trades, get them before the news comes out, and then you're going to try to trade going into news, and that's just dumb. I would rather be in a position like trailing long and get stopped out of it for news, or in a position trailing short and get stopped out of it for news. But you're not going to trade into news, not this kind of news with this kind of volatility. You don't do it. Don't do it. You can't. What do you? If you try to trade this, you're guessing. You are a gambler and you should not trade. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. You get stopped out, fine. But you really want to trade this right now, you're a gambleaholic. How many minutes do we wait after news? How many minutes? Who knows? How many minutes do we wait after news? 3 minutes. Oh, we knew that. Who didn't know that? Who didn't expect that to be the dog, Kev Dog? 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Aggressive people can take short positions. But we do wait. Typically, we want to wait 3 minutes. Any newbie traders, you're going to wait 3 minutes. Let it settle itself out. Bigger accounts, more seasoned traders. You guys know what to do. You can be short. Know your risk. Know what's in it. That's it. There we go. Yeah. No issue with the dollar. No. What? Recession? No. It's what was it? No, there was a word coach was using the other day. It's church. Think of it. For some reason, I want to say draconian recession, but it's some kind of weird. Recession that. What was it? I can't think of it. Somebody tell me. A little bit longer for newer traders. A little bit longer. Newer traders, 3 minutes. You guys know it. You guys all know that. Wait 3 minutes. Everybody knows it. All right, here. Let's see if the pivot holds today. All
right. Well, that was fun.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm officially red. I need rehab. I couldn't close the trade.
What?
No.
A long trade?
Yeah. It came back and what was a profitable trade turned out to be a loss.
What happened?
I don't know. I have no idea. Gotta love Ninja. I need rehab, coach.
Oh, you know how to rehab yourself.
I'm not.
Oh, wow. Corey had issues. Oh, yeah, me too issues yesterday. Wow.